SD Emily here again to give you some quick tips on how to treat acne with oils. That's right, acne with oils. If you were to tell my 16-year-old self to treat my acne with more oil and put the benzoyl peroxide down, I would have looked at you like you were crazy. But thankfully, us estheticians know that the benefits of oil can have a fantastic effect on acneic skin types. So here are some tips for you to share with your clients to assure them that they have nothing to fear of incorporating more oil into their skin regimen. If a client's plan of attack is to dry out all the bacteria until there's nothing left, inform them on how this might actually be causing more harm than good. Explain healthy oil production actually protects the skin and helps maintain a balanced pH. An excessive amount of oil production can result in acne breakouts, as we all know, but a complete lack of oil can cause the skin and pores to tighten up so much so that the natural oil production ends up getting trapped under the skin with nowhere to go, further causing more lumps and bumps. So some professional tips that might ease your clients' hesitations. Oils are actually smaller in molecular size compared to creams and lotions, so it absorbs and acts quickly without feeling heavy or greasy, which is something that nobody suffering from acne wants more of. The skin already knows what to do with oils, so the application of an oil-based serum or cleanser will help the skin's natural oil flow more freely, unclogging any congested areas. So go ahead and encourage your client to try something new and to not be afraid to fight oil with oil. They may be pleasantly surprised by the results. So please become a member today and check out my blog, SD Emily, at ascpskincare.com for more information on treating acne with oils and other quick tips to share with your clients.